Sure.
So, hi everyone, I am Dwani Dave, and today we are in conversation with Karan Chabra. Karan Chabra is one of India's first international celebrity talk show host. He was also a former acting coach on Sony TV's acting-based reality show. As a model, Karan has worked with designers like Sabyasachi Mukherjee and has walked the prestigious shows like Lakme Fashion Week, FTCI India Couture Week. We have seen him in films like Bazaar, Fanny Khan, Rabta, and many more television shows. His last web appearance was in Hollywood director Matthew Luter's State of Siege 2611. As a host, Karan has worked with Bollywood actors like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan on his Chats show, which has been running successfully from past 5 years. Wow, that's like too long.
Did you learn this or you were reading from somewhere?
Let's say, what did you think?
So that's first of all, thank you for the lovely words and the lovely introduction. And I think I saw that on the post of the Glitz magazine as well. So first of all, congratulations. You guys are a good team. You guys are young, enthusiastic, and I wish you all the very best. And I'm really happy to be on this live because a lot of my friends follow Talent Factory. I could see a lot of mutual friends there on the page. So it's an absolute honor to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming on board for an interview, Karan. It really means a lot. So, Karan, my first question is, how did your journey begin in the show business?
So I, first of all, like a lot of people say, the baby steps, people take from modeling. So I'm not tall. I'm 5 feet 9 inches in height. And I never had the conventional model face, I believe. But I used to wear a turban. I used to always, I love my culture, and I used to promote the message that जो end buyers होते हैं, जो कपड़े खरीदते हैं, वो हम जैसे आम आदमी ही हैं. They might not be 6 feet tall, they might not have six-pack abs, but I think fashion is all about carrying yourself और अपने आप को अपने बेस्ट तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर पाना. जो आपको भगवान ने हाइट दी है, नैन नक्श दी है, वो तो भगवान की देन है. But I think fashion it's an art to present yourself, carry yourself, and I think that's what modeling should be. So I started with modeling, and बहुत अच्छे designers ने मेरे को उस time support किया. They used to take me in their print shoots, and I used to walk the ramp very rarely, but at very big fashion weeks. मतलब मैं cool model कभी नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं हर show में walk कर रहा हूँ. But जब मैं walk करता था तो बहुत ज़्यादा encouragement मिलती थी from the media, from the audience. So yeah, that's how I started.
Wow. Karan, we actually have a question. Raheja Harry is asking, Karan sir, you'll answer this question the best. Being a Sikh, what is the scope of Sikh guys as a model today?
I think it's huge. There is tremendous scope. I have been seeing so many influencers who wear a turban and who do shoots. Being Sikh is again a huge definition, and I think you need to earn to be called as a Sikh. You need to have proper. You don't have to cut your hair. You don't have to cut your beard. There are different set of rules that you have to follow, which I think श्रद्धा और मेहनत लगती है to be called as a Sikh or a Singh, to be very honest. But yes, if you're talking about being who you are, being whichever religion you are from, if you think you can carry yourself and present yourself the best way, you can be a model.
So there, Raheja Harry, we answered your question. You have been an actor and a model. So can you tell us what is the difference between both the glamour worlds?
See, I'll tell you the difference, but I'll start with the common thing first. जो सबसे common चीज acting modeling में होती है वो है confidence. So if someone has the confidence to walk the ramp in front of thousands of people, he definitely will have the confidence to act where you have a crew, where you have camera, where you have audience. If you talk about theater, तो common चीज है confidence, but otherwise both are extremely different crafts. दोनों अलग-अलग fields हैं altogether. Acting requires different kind of preparation, different kind of skill set. Modeling requires different kind of skill set, and of course your height and your physical attributes as well. If you talk about commercial ramp modeling.
Correct. So Bali, we were talking about modeling and acting. The Glitz magazine, where I am from, we're coming up with Insta Model 2020, and we're in collaboration with Talent Factory. So we've talked to you about that. What do you think about that as an initiative for aspiring models?
It's a wonderful initiative because आपको कहीं पे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप घर बैठे बैठाए you can get groomed. I know of people who have paid so much of money to attend these grooming classes और उसके बाद उनको कुछ मिलता नहीं है. The best thing is that Insta Model is first of all promoting the message of staying at home in this crisis, number one. Number two, it is also giving you a lot of learning while being at home. And it's not only learning, they are also going to give you practical job, practical work. Because I know Talent Factory has given so much work to so many models, so many artists, including me, so many celebrities they have given work to. So yeah, I think it's a win-win situation for everyone.
Absolutely. So it's stay home, stay safe, and at the same time. So what do you think about online modeling? Since you've been an actor and you've also done modeling. So what do you think about modeling on an online platform?
See, first of all, this crisis has taught us one thing, that online and digital platforms are the next big thing. तो जब कोई चीज ग्रो कर रही होती है, जो चीज बूम पे होती है, it is always good to jump into that thing and be a master in that. So I think it's a wonderful thing. It's the best time to do online modeling right now because digital is going to be huge in the coming years.
That is so true. So what do the models need to keep in mind while they're creating their profiles?
See, first of all, I see a lot of profiles. I get so many DMs and messages. In fact, even before this live, the best thing that I notice about people is how do they pose, how do they project themselves on their Instagram. Like if you see my Instagram right now, it is less about me. It is more about the people in my life or the people I have on my chat show or I get to meet. A lot of people have been telling me, no, Karan, we want to see more of you. But I think had I only been doing modeling or only been doing acting or one thing, I would definitely project myself that way. So if you are focused on being a model, your profile should always show your best side. And when someone is scrolling through it, they should be able to have the faith, have the belief that yes, he can represent my garment, my brand.
Correct. So you say, the profile should look like a model's profile. They should keep in mind about all the things. Any specific advice you think that the model should keep in mind while they're creating their portfolios?
See, I would suggest these days less is more. Try not doing too much of editing, or it should not look like much of an edited picture. You should try exploring different kind of lights. You can do it in sunlight. You can do indoors. You can have a nice photographer buddy who can click you nicely. If you're at home, I've been seeing people using iPhones or Android phones and clicking brilliant pictures. So it's just that you should present yourself in the best way possible with minimal editing.
Absolutely. So minimal editing, keep the lights in focus, know your angles and know your profiles. That's exactly how an aspiring model should click their pictures. That's how Karan suggests, because he's been in the field and he knows a lot.
Not only pictures, I will add one thing from my experience. A lot of actors, they know their profile. So I was having a chat with Alka Yagnik ji 5 years back for her song in Tamasha movie. So I was sitting like here and she was sitting here. She said, no, Karan, I want to change my place because I only show this profile. So if you observe her in any of the reality shows that she's judging, she has this flick here and she will always sit like this. So she's very conscious. Whereas there are other people जिनको उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन सी profile है. So yeah, you need to know your best profile and project it.
Absolutely. I think आपको जब खुद को पता होता है तो you are sure that the pictures will come or the video will come in that angle. So you should know your angles, you should know your profile. So every aspiring model who is listening to us, please keep that in mind. Because Karan has come from that field, he knows a lot, and you're getting the advice from the best people, yeah. So my next question is,
I don't know best or not, but yeah, some kind of experience I have over the years and I can share with everyone.
No, you've achieved a lot, Karan. You're just being modest. Go on. Be it modeling or acting, both the fields have their own kind of struggle. You too must have gone through, your days of struggle. So, how do you think that this platform can help the aspiring models when it comes to the struggling aspect?
See, first of all, I always think there is nothing called as struggle if you love your job. I won't take names, but there has been a lot of debate going on of an actor who was very close to me personally and professionally. People said he was struggling to get films. He was not. He had so many films in his kitty. He had worked with the best banners. it is not about struggle. Ab कहने को तो struggle, even Priyanka Chopra is struggling for films in Hollywood, but that's not a struggle. It's a part
That's
of
not
your
a struggle.
job. So even in the beginning, even on my day one, I never thought of it as struggle. It is like an engineer goes to a 9 to 6 job in the office. Our job is to groom ourselves, work on ourselves, improve our skills, and of course we have to give auditions, we have to meet people, go for meetings, do our networking. So I think that's a part of the job. So if you enjoy your job, आपको day one से आप अपने आप को struggler मत बोलो. I really don't appreciate that word at all.
You don't like the term, correct?
Yeah, and secondly, yes, about this platform, yes, it can reduce your effort and your energy in a more productive way. I will not call reduce or struggle. It will it will help you learn a lot of things while sitting at home. As I said, आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to be at home. I was discussing with the team at Talent Factory, and they had brilliant ideas of how they are going to moderate those shoots virtually, how they will teach people how to pose, and of course the winner will get a lot of assignments. But जो नहीं भी जीत रहा है, they will also be a part of the Talent Factory database. So imagine you coming
Absolutely.
to Delhi or Bombay, where the office is, giving an audition, meeting. It's just that you are sitting in your home. You can be in Lucknow, Kanpur, whichever part of the country you are, and you just get
Exactly.
to meet everyone, and your profile is in the database of one of the leading agencies of the country.
Absolutely. That is so, so true. So, Karan, you're also a judge on Insta Model 2020. So, my question is, what are the things our contestants should keep in mind while they're sending us your profile? Like from a judge's point of view, something that you see कि भाई ये तो होना ही चाहिए.
See, for modeling, as I said, posing should be really good. What I will see is how confident he or she is in the pose. I will not judge by the quality of the picture or the editing or the phone, because I know अगर किसी के पास iPhone 11 है, किसी के पास एक छोटा सा basic Android भी है, it doesn't matter. What matters is how good is he in posing, and how is he utilizing his properties जो उनके घर पे चीजें
Okay.
पड़ी हैं. How beautifully, like I'll give an example of what I'm doing right now. Can I flip my camera?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So this is a basic lamp of my grandmother, which has a
Okay.
butter paper, and this is a basic LED, which again has a butter paper, which is
Okay.
giving me the effect of a ring light. I could not buy a ring light in Chandigarh due to the lockdown. Now I can, but अब मुझे जरूरत
Yeah.
लगती नहीं, because I think you can see there is
You
good
figured
enough
out.
light on my face.
Yeah, DIY hacks. We've all learned a few of them during the lockdown.
Yeah. So I will, as a judge, what I will notice is how beautifully they have shot themselves, how confident they are, and what amount of creativity have they used.
Correct. Okay. So these are the few skill sets that you're going to definitely watch and look out for. All right. So after this, I'm going to come to the question that you worked with a Hollywood director. You mean you've actually achieved so many things that I can actually go on and on about all of this. But yeah, this is one question I really, really wanted to ask. That you worked with the Hollywood director Matthew Lewaiter for State of Siege 2611. First of all, how was it working with a Hollywood director?
See, first of all, we were very, very excited, and there was a myth around how Hollywood works, how those guys shoot. But let me tell you, they are just the same like our Indian directors. There is not much of a difference at all. And the most unique thing about him was he was really planned. He knew what kind of shots he's going to take throughout the day. So shooting a web series with him was like shooting an ad film. So let me tell you, in ads, it's a very planned day. Like you just have 1 day of shoot or 2 days of shoot, and every minute is planned. That this is how you will begin. There is a storyboard, and that's how the shot division is. Which sometimes in television, movies, and web, they take it a little easy. They mix and match and they play around with it. But with him, it was like shooting an ad film, because he was very planned. He exactly knew what he wanted. So yeah, that's what I love the most about him.
Okay, so you've also worked in Bollywood movies and you've worked in Hollywood movies. My next question is, tell me the difference.
Hollywood director's web series, not a Hollywood movie, but an Indian movies and Indian television. There is, as I said, there is not much of a difference. Yes, those guys are really planned, and they kind of are, I will not say perfectionists, because even in our industry, there are brilliant directors. I am a fan of Raju Hirani, Shujit Sircar. They are great directors and great storytellers. but yeah, I think they are a little more on the paper. They're a little more organized and planned, and they get panicked when they see an Indian crew and they see the crew is not working according to them. They really get panicked
Oh,
because they have not seen this kind of work culture. Because in India, कई बारी भाईचारे से भी काम करवाना पड़ता है. Like,
बिल्कुल
you
बिल्कुल.
have to, you have to build a team and be a leader. And they were not used to this kind of environment. But yeah, I hope they enjoyed working with Indians.
Yeah, I hope that as well.
Sorry, I have to take
uh,
Aditya's question. Aditya is saying
जी जी.
networking is extremely important. Please help with some guidance. Karan, please help with some networking skills. Well, Aditya is, first of all, he does not need any skills of networking. He's very well connected. He's a stylist, and I think he was working with Talent Factory on some of the fashion weeks, or I think in talent management, if I'm not wrong. So
Okay.
he's extremely good in his job, and yes, networking is extremely important. It is as simple as कि अगर ये फोन है, अगर मार्केट में पता ही नहीं होगा कि ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आया है और इसकी क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं, तो वो बिकेगा कैसे. तो सेम इज फॉर एन आर्टिस्ट, फॉर अ मॉडल, फॉर अ हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, फॉर कोरियोग्राफर, फॉर एवरीवन. आई थिंक networking is extremely important, but not at the extent of being too pushy. So I'll give an example. अगर आप किसी पार्टी में हो, if you have someone who can introduce you to people who you want to meet, very good. If not, I don't mind. If you're confident, you can directly go and introduce yourself and just tell the person that, hey, I love your work and I do this. I'm a model and I love, for example, I'm talking to a designer. So I love your designs and, I would love to walk the ramp for you. It's as simple as that. So yeah, networking is important, and I don't know how can I teach you networking skills, but
No, you just made it sound so easy right now. Just go and say, I like your design and I want to work for you.
yeah, I mean, I remember when Sabyasachi happened to me. So it was through a designer called Rakesh Agrawal. He, I think,
Acha.
is a very talented designer. He used to design gowns for Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen, and he was doing very well. And I still think he's doing good. So yeah, I just met Rakesh at Will's. उस time Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week होता था. So I just walked up to him and I said, hey, you're doing great job, and I would love to work with you, and let me know where can I send you my pictures. And it was as simple as that. And after a month or two, he was shooting where he wanted someone in turban for Sabyasachi's campaign, and he just called me up. So
Wow.
be honest, just be honest, just be straightforward. Don't beat around the bush. Of course, don't let the person feel that you are his friend because of a reason or a purpose. If you're doing friendship, let it be friendship. If you're talking business, talk business.
All right, Karen. My other question is a little modeling related. You said you've done prints and you walked for ramp shows. So what is the difference between the two? Like when you're doing prints and ramp shows, so when you're walking, so what are those different things that a model should keep in mind when they're getting into both those different kinds of modeling sections?
See, for print modeling, first of all, you should know different poses, variety of poses, so that when the photographer is clicking you, उसको आपको कुछ बताना ही ना पड़े. That is what a perfect print model is, that he gives everything that he has to the photographer, to the brand, to the entire team that's shooting him that day, that time. So that's, I think, what's the sign of a brilliant print model. And for ramp, your walk matters a lot. And yes, when you walk towards the head ramp, जहाँ पे आप pose करते हैं, चाहे आप mid ramp पे pose करते हैं, again you have to be very graceful and you should enjoy walking the ramp. And that's what I think counts the most.
Okay, so as a layman, this question is as a layman because I'm not into the field of modeling or anything. So what are the first things that you need to learn when you're walking? Like आपको क्या दिमाग में रख के what do you learn? And let's say as an aspiring model जो हमें देख भी रहे होंगे, so let's say they know how to pose but they do not know probably how to walk, because in the second round of Insta Model 2020 we also going to ask for their walking videos, right? तो उसमें what are the basic things that they need to keep in mind कि भाई ऐसे चलना है, or some things that they can keep in mind or they can learn?
You're talking about the walk, right?
Yeah, the walk.
So in your walk, you should always make sure you practice in front of the mirror.
Okay.
Always, एक और बहुत important बात है, a lot of models are music lovers, by the way, because you walk on music. You walk on a beat. It's like a dance choreography. You know, every step has a
Okay.
beat. So your walk should be according to the music which is being played. Number one. Number two, play some nice music and practice in front of the mirror. And number three, most important is your posture. So you should really be careful about your posture, because at the end of the day, मैं लेमैन में समझाता हूँ, आप एक वॉरियर हो, आप जंग लड़ने जा रहे हो और आपका मकसद है डिजाइनर के आउटफिट को अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करना, इतने अच्छे से कि जो खरीदने वाले लोग वहां बैठे हैं या जो मीडिया देखने वाली बैठी है वो उसको लेने के लिए मजबूर हो जाए.
Absolutely. So easily explained. Thank you, Karan. Thank you for the explanation. अच्छा, my next question to you is, आपने हमें बता दिया कि आपने कैसे मॉडलिंग में एंटर करा, आप कैसे एक्टिंग में आए, होस्टिंग कैसे की आपने? How did you get into the field of hosting?
So I was very active in my school in declamations and debates, and वो stage का experience school से ही मिल गया था. In fact,
अच्छा.
I was in the same school as Yami Gautam. She was a year senior to me.
अच्छा.
Her sister was a year junior. Then Ayushman की जो wife है ताहिरा कश्यप, वो हमसे 2 साल senior थी स्कूल में. तो हम सभी चंडीगढ़ के एक ही स्कूल के बच्चे हैं. So we were, it's a very cool school, और मैं अपनी स्कूलिंग को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेडिट देता हूँ, because बहुत सारी co-curricular activities होती थी और हम उसमें पार्ट लेते थे. I started anchoring in Delhi firstly. There was a pageant called as Miss North India, and one of my friends, she gave me the platform to host it there. Then I used that video and I sent it to NDTV. And दिल्ली में ज़्यादा स्कोप था नहीं, because television channels दिल्ली में सिर्फ गिने चुने हैं. So I used to host for NDTV for a couple of events, and उसके बाद फिर I moved to Bombay, and I'm a software engineer. तो पहले मैं job के basis पे ही गया था, and I used to bunk my office and slowly meet channels, pitch them a show, and that's how one lucky day I went to pitch a new show. I wanted to produce a show. तो उनको मेरा वो आइडिया पसंद नहीं आया कि नहीं आप प्रोड्यूसर मत बनो, अभी आप जो आपके होस्टिंग स्किल्स है सिर्फ हमें वही चाहिए, आप प्रोडक्शन मत कीजिए हमारे लिए. एंड माय फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू वाज विद रणदीप हुडा एंड ऋचा चड्ढा 5 years back for a movie called मैं और चार्ल्स, उनकी आई थी.
अच्छा. So that's how the hosting game began.
Yeah, that's how. And I was that time a contestant in MTV Love School. उस time season 1 था, and I remember I had to balance both side by side. So yeah, it happened.
Lovely. That was so nice to know all the 3 sections so well and in detail. And also we came to know about how you are going to be the judge on Insta Model 2020. So now we're going to start the rapid fire round. Okay. So the first question is modeling, hosting, and acting. Put them in an order of your desire.
Hosting, acting, and modeling.
Wow. A character you'd love to play on screen.
Akshay Kumar's in Kesari.
Oh wow! Yes, of course.
I love turbans. I love wearing a turban. You will see most of my pictures in turbans. So yeah.
I've seen your Instagram profile. Yes, I mean I've seen a few of your interviews, and you've worn the turban even in your interviews as well.
Yeah.
So okay, the silver screen or web series, your personal favorite?
I'll say web series, because जितना प्यार मुझे वेब शो से मिला है, especially the one on Z5 called State of Siege, I think it's great. And आज के टाइम पे अब तो फिल्में भी वेब पे रिलीज हो रही हैं. अमिताभ बच्चन जी की फिल्म अभी वेब पे आई है. So I think web is the next big thing.
And that's so true. I mean, it's so in right now, and it's also safe.
Raj is saying not reading comments. We are reading, Raj. एक rapid fire खत्म हो जाए, then I think
yes, we'll come back to your
all
comments.
The questions and we'll
Absolutely.
Take
Yes. Who's your idol?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Whose idol he
self-made, self-made, and a big star, and a very, very humble and down-to-earth person. He will remember your name whenever he meets you, and he will greet you like, he will treat you so well, so nicely. आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप इतने बड़े स्टार से मिल रहे हो.
Wow. Your favorite designer?
Sabyasachi Mukherjee, because I worked with him.
A secret no one knows about you?
I think I'm like an open book, so there's no secret as such. I really don't know if I have a secret that no one knows.
Okay. All right. One thing that you're obsessed with.
Oh, I've got 3 birds as pets right now. So I'm obsessed with all 3 of them. One is Chulbul, one is called Mittu, and one is called Mitti. They're very cliche, they're very common name, but yeah,
No, but they're cute
I'm very
names.
obsessed with them. In this lockdown, they have been like my buddies. So yeah.
So my next question was actually going to be, how do you de-stress? So you gave us one answer. How do you de-stress?
I love Instagram, yeah. I have been stalking so many people on Instagram in this lockdown. I am not a stalker otherwise. I'm so busy with my work that I don't need to worry about who anyone else is doing. I'm always worried about what I'm doing. But
अच्छा.
in this lockdown, मेरे अंदर का मिस मालिनी जाग चुका है. मैं सबको stalk करता हूँ. So yeah, I love stalking people on Instagram. That's my de-stress.
अच्छा. And that's actually almost everybody's de-stress during this
See,
lockdown.
I'm honest. I mean, no matter how much you pretend, but I'm really honest. I love stalking on Instagram.
So the first thing that you notice in a person.
Smile.
Okay. That's
Just a
a really
smile.
nice thing to,
Yeah.
yeah. I think
पता
a
smile
smile
से पता
defines
चल
a
जाता है
face
कि
for
आप fake smile कर रहे हो या genuinely दिल से smile कर रहे हो. So I don't know.
बिल्कुल.
I just
No,
feel
you
it.
can actually come to know. That is so true. And वो, you know, the vibe also, you can catch the vibe of the person also with a smile. So
Yeah.
that was your rapid fire round. We're done with the rapid fire round, and you were really, really quick and really
Where
good,
is
and it
my
was fun.
hamper? Ask Talent Factory to give me a winning hamper.
We will give you a hamper, but lockdown क्या करे?
Send कर दो. अभी सब चल रहा है. Myntra, Amazon, everything is
बिल्कुल
delivering.
बिल्कुल. I will send you the hamper for sure. Acha, so now we're going to come on to the questions that all our viewers have been so patiently sitting and listening to us and asking. So we're going to connect with our viewers and be like, anything that you want to ask Karan, you can, you know, just send us.
Yeah, or at least we
Just
can take their names because फिर ना मेरे को बाद में नाराजगी वाले DMs आते हैं. So there is Asif,
बिल्कुल
there is
बिल्कुल.
Vicky Chauhan, Vicky Bhai, there is Aditya, there is Raj Goswami, Dhaval, Aditya, lovely conversation, Karan and Liz. Thank you.
Network error आ गया, I think.
There is
Can you
Vani,
hear
there
me?
is Uday. Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, there is Vani. I think Kevin is there. Narendra Thakur, Mehul. I'm from Chandigarh. Raheja, Harry. Okay. Pravan Mayank. Hi, Pravan. Hi, Prakash. Hi, Arav. Oh, Arav is a wonderful model. He's extremely lean and he's doing great ramp shows. So yeah, Harpreet.
Absolutely.
Hi, Asif. Oh, Asif Merchant is here. Again, one of the wonderful designers of the country, and we all love his collections and his shows. So he's there on the live.
Apurva 2354 says, "Sir is so down to earth." That is so true.
Hey, thank you. We have no option. We have to be nice and cordial to everyone. You know, there's so much of hatred and so much of attitude around. I think अच्छे इंसान बनो, सबसे प्यार से बात करो और खुश रहो.
That's actually true. You know,
Yeah.
and it's not just about modeling or acting field. You just need to be a nice human, as in general also.
Yeah. Paras is also. Oh,
Adit,
Paras Parik is here. Hi, Paras. He's a digital influencer.
wow.
Uh,
Aditya Kotwal says, "Thank you, Karan. Yes, I agree with boundaries."
yes. And Saga is saying, will it be posted on IGTV? That Dhani will tell you.
Yes, we will post it on IGTV, but it will be posted in the IGTV of The Glitz magazine.
Wonderful. So
So
all
you,
those people who are watching this or who have missed a part of it, you can watch it on The Glitz IGTV. I think
yes,
the name is
the
pinned right here.
absolutely. The_GL_IITZ, The Glitz. Aditya Kotwal says, lovely conversation, Karan and The Glitz. Lots of love and all the best. Thank you so much, Aditya. Really means a lot.
Wonderful. So
All
yeah,
right.
I think a lot of people joined us, and Harry saying any age which we can call as
16 to 30.
Okay, yeah. For the contest, it is 16 to 30.
16 to 30 years. Yes.
Yeah. But otherwise, I think in life, it's never too late to start. Boman Irani started acting at the age of 42, so you don't need to worry if you are above 30 also. You can
Yeah, we'll
start
figure
at
out something.
any point of time you can start. And for this contest, you can definitely share the word to all your friends who are between 16 to 30.
Absolutely. Aditya 821 says, how do you reply to all your DMs?
I try my best, and I tell everyone that please, you can talk on comments. That is better because comments grab more attention. It's very difficult to read a lot of DMs. So जब भी टाइम मिलता है मैं कुछ पिक कर लेता हूँ और उनको रिप्लाई कर देता हूँ.
All right, I think that was it. And Chahat Baga says, hey Karan.
Hey Chahat, and
So,
Aditya is saying there's a question of mine. Please shoot your question, and you tell me how is it working with D-Glitz. I've seen some of the videos and you're doing a great job.
you liked it? As a host, I really want to know.
Yeah, I saw some of them and it's really good. It's really good.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Karan. It really means a lot to me. It's fun. It's fun working with them. They have new ideas. They're quite, creative. And like you said, it's a young team. So I think let's see everything goes well. That's all I can say.
Wonderful. So
So I
you're
think
based in the Bombay office or the Delhi office?
I am based in the Bombay office.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
Yeah.
And how are things
All
in
right.
Bombay right now? Is it like really scary as it is shown in the
Yeah.
news channels?
Um, well, I guess because I haven't walked out of my house, I've not had the need to go out of my house. So I've been staying inside. But yeah, I mean, as you're saying, it is actually, you shouldn't walk out unless and until it's not needed. Okay, आसिफ मोंडाल आज कैसे एक नॉर्मल बॉय मॉडल बन सकता है राइट या
आसिफ सबसे पहले तो सारे मॉडल्स नॉर्मल बॉयज ही होते हैं मतलब दे आर नॉर्मल पीपल ओनली सो यू जस्ट हैव
आई थिंक वी फेसिंग सम नेटवर्क इश्यूज with yes, Prateek 562, I guess there is some error. um I think I'll try connecting again to Karan. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है आपका बिल्कुल बिल्कुल I'll just try and see if we can connect to Karan again. No, we were trying to get connected to Karan again. Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Sorry, guys. The electricity in Punjab is extremely unpredictable. Unlike Bombay, जहाँ पे हमेशा light होती है. So yeah. Uh, yeah. So yeah. I think we can take up this last question, which is of Asif, that how can a normal boy be a model? Asif,
Yes.
you just need to know कि बाकी प्रोफेशंस की तरह ये भी एक फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन है जिसमें आपको अपने ऊपर ध्यान देना है. आप ही प्रोडक्ट हो, आप ही को बिकना है आगे मार्केट में, आप ही को प्रेजेंट करना है अपने आप को. सो अपने आप को इतना अच्छा बना लीजिए और अपने स्किल्स को इतना ग्रूम कर लीजिए कि आप आराम से लंबी रेस के घोड़े बन पाएं एंड यू आर एबल टू सस्टेन इन दिस हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव इंडस्ट्री. और क्यों नहीं बन सकता है राम बंदा मॉडल, जरूर बन सकता है. जस्ट वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड बी कॉन्फिडेंट.
Bilkul. There's a last question that is from Aditya 821. He says, I'm 17 and need just Karan Bhaiya to be my idol, my coach, my big brother, and give me instructions.
Sure, Aditya, we'll do that.
Yes, you can connect with Karan. So that was it, Karan. It was a lovely, lovely interview. Okay, lastly, my question is any message that you'd like to give to the people, to all the viewers that are listening, to the Glitz as a team that we've started young and we've started now. So any message you'd like to give to our viewers and in general?
Everyone who's connected to Talent Factory and Deglitz, the magazine, I think the team is extremely wonderful. And जैसे कि मैंने अपनी एक post में कहा है, to work with Talent Factory or to work with Deglitz, you don't need to be anyone's relative. You don't need to have any references. If you have the talent, these people will give you a fair chance and will definitely be there to groom you, to help you, and to provide you with all kind of work that they can. So lots of love to you all, and my best wishes to both the teams at Talent Factory and Leaguelets, and to everyone who's watching. Lots of love to all of you, and keep doing good work.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Karan. It was lovely having you on board. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye. So that was Karan Chhabra for all of you. It was an honor to interview Karan through Talent Factory's handle and connect with all of you lovely viewers. So send us in your registrations and get amazing opportunities from us. This is Dwani Dave from Wiglets signing off and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.